Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Coachings. With me, Muazzam Ali. Today, I have got something exciting to share with you in the world of data analysis. Whether you are a newbie looking to dive into the data realm of an experience or an experienced analyst seeking for refine your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be addressing two key questions that often pop up when you are facing interviews or when you are giving the interviews. First, we'll unravel the mystery behind getting the count of orders categorized by subcategory and order date. It's a crucial technique to extract insightful trends and patterns from your data, and that's just the beginning. Then we will tackle another common challenge, removing those pesky numbers from strings in Tableau. Clean data is the foundation of any successful analysis. And I am here to guide you through the process step by step. Before we dive in, I want to extend a special invitation. Are you passionate about data analysis? Ready to unlock all full potential of Tableau and other powerful tools? Look no further. I am thrilled to introduce my exclusive 3 months online course for data analyst. No matter your background, whether you are a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, this course is tailored for you. By the end of our journey together, will have the skills and confidence to conquer complex data challenges, create compelling visualization, and make data driven decisions that matter. So, hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of data enthusiasts. And if you are ready to take your skills to the next level, check out the course details in the description below. Let's embark on this exciting data driven adventure together. And if you want to join my free class or demo classes, you can check out the link into the description box and you can join it on Saturdays and Sundays. It's free of cost. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the world of data analyst and conquer those challenges. Let's get started. So the first question which we are taking today is, this question is asked into the interview, and believe me guys, this is very crucial. It decides the selection or the rejection of your candidature. So whenever a question is asked something like this, you have a category, subcategory, order date. How can you get count of orders? Category, subcategory, and order date wise. So in this situation, you need to understand what exactly the problem statement is, and when you get the question, you need to repeat it with your understanding adding in it, so that the person should get the clear understanding of what you understood from the question and you are on the same page of that interviewer. Okay, now we'll quickly jump onto the practical window and we'll try to solve that. So in this question, I'll read it for you. You have categories, subcategories, and order dates, and you want to count the orders, all the orders on the basis of the categories, subcategories, and the order date. So what you will do, by simply, you want to get the count of orders, but on the category wise. We'll start with the basics. So if you want to get the count of the orders category wise, what you will do, you will create a calculated field. So we'll create a calculated field. Okay, we'll click on create calculated field, and I will write count of category wise. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll go inside it, and here I need to create an LOD. So I will be creating fixed LOD with category wise. So I'll create category, and then I'll put this, and then I will use a function that is count D, that is count distinct count means every entry will be considered only once. So order ID. We got it, order ID. I'll click okay. This calculated field is created. Now I will put it over, but before that, okay, I'll remove it. I'll put the category. Where is my category? Yeah, here it is. So I'll put that category. Now I will put my count of category wise. So this is my count category wise. Now he wanted to have the category and subcategory wise as well. So if I put the subcategory over here, I cannot see any change over here because it is only on the category wise and not on the subcategory wise. So what I will do, I will just go here, I will edit it, and I will put this, drag it, and I'll put this on here with comma separated. Now it is working fine. Now if I execute, see the changes. Now if I remove this, you can see 1900 for furniture, but if I add the subcategory, it is changing to 200. So this is the granularity, this is the level of details, that is the best example of level of detail how we can use it. Now as per the question, we have three parameters, we have three things to consider: category, subcategory, and order date. So if I want to get the order date as well, what I will do, I will put this order date over here. Now I just want it month wise, so I will remove this year, I'll remove this quarter, so this month wise it is here. But now it is again divided till the subcategory wise, it is not divided till month. So simply what I will do, I will go here, I will edit it one more time, and I'll drag it and I'll drop it over here. Okay, I'll drop it into in here. Yeah, got it. So I'll just keep a comma separated so that every field, my every parameter, my every condition has to be identified distinctively. So this is category, subcategory, and date part, that is month, order date. I'll click OK. Now see, this is for January, for furniture, bookcase. This is how it is done. Okay, so if I remove, now if I remove this, it is now changed to subcategory wise. Now it is showing me the order count subcategory wise. Now if I remove it, it is showing me the order count, distinct order counts for category wise. That is the first question which I wanted to show. Now we will move on to the next question for today, that is how can we remove numbers from string in Tableau. Now we have seen into our previous videos where we can remove the numbers, we can separate out the numbers and the strings from our SQL query, using our SQL query, and we have created stored procedures, we have used loops, we have used stuff functions, and then we can do it also with replace. So I have created that video. If you have not seen it, I recommend you to go and watch it, because it is again very important and it will be helping you to create your logic and build it will help you to build the understanding onto the database side, where you can write the loops and where you can get the results of repetitive code. Okay, now to solve this is again very simple question. Onto the Tableau perspective, we don't need to create any loops. What I will do, I will create a constant function, I'll create a constant string, and then we will be using it. So what I will do, I will write something like get string only. Okay, and then I'll go inside it, and then what I will write, mid function. Okay, using mid function, if you see, mid function return the characters from the middle of a text string given a starting position and a length. Okay, so I will write something like 1 2 3 4 5, and then I'll write apple. Okay, this is my string, and now I have given 5, so I will write 5, and then I will use length function. Why I'm using the length? Because this length of this whole characters I want to count what is the length, and I want to start reading from the 5th line till the end of that particular character. So this is done. Now I'll clear it out, and if I put it into the text, it is showing me 5 apple. Why it is showing me 5 apple? because I have started this string from fifth location, and 1 2 3 4 5, so it started from the fifth location. I don't want to start it from the fifth location. I want it to start from the sixth location. Okay, so this is how I will do, and I'll click OK, and now it is showing me apple. This is how it is done. Okay, I want you to create it for multiple, I want you to create it for a dynamic value where every value. Now suppose it is for a static value where that how many numbers you will get. Now what if you don't get the count of the number, you don't know the how many numbers will be there. So if in one string it is 5, in one string it is 4, in one string it is 2, in one string it is 0. So you need to what logic you will write. I want you to solve it, and if you are not able to do that, please comment me into the comment box, and then we will be doing it. If you That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, any queries, or any doubts, you can write me a comment, and we will be discussing it into our next video. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.